Hi there, my name is Leon Moore. I am over at Allora in East Sacramento. I'm here at the Good Bottle Shop today, and we're going to talk about how to make simple and effective cocktails in these tough times that we're facing right now. So this is going to be the Dukes Martini, kind of a riff on the classic martini. We're going to be using the No.3 London Dry Gin, which is from the Berry Brothers in London. This is actually a replica of the key to the saloon, kind of cool little factoid. We're going to be using Bordiga extra dry vermouth from Piemonte hand harvested botanicals. On the No.3, that's named that because of it prominently featuring 3 different botanicals. I believe cardamom, juniper, and angelica root, a little bit of orange and grapefruit in there as well. Beautiful, simple drink. The thing about this drink that separates it from a classic martini is that there's only a rinse of vermouth rather than the addition of vermouth. To be honest, in my martinis, I love the addition of vermouth. I think it tastes a little bit more dynamic, but in this case, this is one of those simple drinks you can just have ready to go for you at home. So you want your gin extra cold, if not frozen. So we have a very well-chilled glass here. We're gonna get some very chilled gin and just a rinse of the vermouth. So in this case, again, the Bordiga dry vermouth. We're just gonna give that a little coat of the glass. Typically at the Dukes Hotel in London, which is where this drink originated, they would throw it over their shoulder. But we're on hardwood floors here, so you can respect the floors. And then you get your pour of extra dry gin. And we just fill up. Okay, so this is a bit of a heavy one, but it's part of the fun of it. After that, we're gonna get a nice peel of lemon oils over the top of the drink and just express that. Now I like to clean mine up. You don't have to, but I like mine to look a little pretty. And enjoy.